Hazrat Hafs bin Asim radiyallahu anhu states, I was along with Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu during a journey to Makkah Mukarramah. He radiyallahu anhu led us in 2 units of the Zuhr. Then he proceeded and we proceeded along with him until he came to his resting place and sat down, and we as well sat along with him. All of a sudden, Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu saw people performing the prayer. He asked, what are these people doing? I said, they are performing traditional prayer. He said, if I had to perform the traditional prayer, I would have performed the obligatory prayer complete 4 units. O nephew, I have been in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam during a peregrination. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam throughout his life did never perform more than 2 units during a journey. I have been in the company of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. He did never perform more than 2 units till his demise. I have also been in the company of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. He did never perform more than 2 units until he departed this life. I have also been in the company of Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu, and he as well did never perform more than 2 units until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu caused his death. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, translation, in the life of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there is a good example for you to follow. Surah Ahzab, verse 121. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1577.